Goodbye, my pretties. You versus the girl who tells you not to worry about. I like the bounties. I can kind of relate to them, you know. I'm not really anyone's favourite, but I'm always there for everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all feeling festive. As you can see, today we are doing a mukbang Christmas dinner edition. I'm very excited about this, I'm not gonna lie. I have just cooked all of this myself. Well, I say cooked. Kind of. And I thought I would document the process, so without further ado, I'm going to show you that, then we're going to have a Christmas chat and a Christmas dinner. It's a party today, lads. Anyone who thought I'm cooking a Christmas dinner from scratch, you clearly don't know me. My little babies M&S are helping me out today. Thank you very much, honeys. Here we have today's Christmas dinner. Doesn't that turkey and gravy look delicious? Obviously, I've also got some extra pigs in blankets and I've got some extra broccoli because this many vegetables is not really going to fill me up. My only issue is though, right, I thought this was going to be really easy. Whack it in the oven, leave it 35 minutes, it'll be done. Turns out that I've actually got to put each compartment in at a different time. I appreciate you making my life a little bit easier, but you could have gone that extra mile. Okay, so the first thing I've got to do is place the roast potatoes on a baking tray. Easy. I'm just standing here looking at this turkey and gravy. That just doesn't look like something I want to put in my mouth. Although, to be fair, the rest of it actually looks all right. Hands down, best thing about Christmas. Goodbye, my pretties. It's been 20 minutes. One of my pigs in blankets has got undressed. Put your jacket back on, babes. Right, let's get this back in the oven. This is going well so far. Mate, I'm well impressed with this. I mean, it's not your mum's homemade Christmas dinner, but it's all right. Right, I am ready to tuck in. Let's get some salt on here. Not too much, don't want to give myself a heart attack. I've also got Christmas crackers, because it's not Christmas dinner without Christmas cracker, is it? You versus the girl who tells you not to worry about. Same. I'm not sure where these Christmas crackers were from, but I feel like this one's defo like an M&S or a John Lewis. Oh, I wonder who's gonna win. Oh, the smell. Are you joking me? Where's the present? As if. I'm intrigued about this turkey. I'm not sure what it's gonna be like. How sad is it that I'm actually sat here by myself eating a Christmas dinner for one? I can't believe this is my job. Not bad. The roast potato though, that's going to be the true test, because if they're not good roast potatoes, this whole meal is a waste of time. I mean, it's no Aunt Bessie's, but as roast potatoes go, it's all right. Okay, the first Christmas question is, do you open presents in the morning or after dinner? We do presents in the morning, although my brother doesn't live at home, so he comes to our house first. So basically it just depends what time my brother gets here. This Christmas dinner is actually nice, you know. I can't believe I've actually kind of cooked a successful meal. Honestly, wife material over here. Loads of people said what's my favourite Christmas song. Here's a few of my faves. The next question is, what are you asking for Christmas? The only thing that I have asked for is Revitalash. You know that serum that you put on your eyelashes and it helps your eyelashes grow and it makes them really long and voluminous. I've asked for that and my mum and I actually bought it on Black Friday because it was literally like half price. So yeah, that's what I've got for Christmas this year. Bet you can't wait for the what I got for Christmas. I'm joking. I don't think I'm going to be doing one of those videos this year. It's just not really my vibe anymore. I'm not really asking for any presents. This mirror that I've got here to see if I've got any broccoli in my teeth is just getting on my nerves in the viewfinder, so I think I'm going to have to move it. So if I have broccoli in my teeth, just ignore it. How cute is my little Christmas reindeer over there? I think he was from Primark or something last year. Well, Essex. Also, can I just point out, this light is not a Christmas decoration. My family just extra. This is on all year round. This is a very relevant question. Catherine says, what's your favourite food item on your Christmas dinner? I'm going to go for either Yorkshire puddings or roast potatoes. Two very strong contenders. Next up, Mia says, do you have any Christmas Eve traditions? The only one we have really is that we always watch a Christmas film on Christmas Eve, but I feel like everyone does that, so is it even a tradition? It is just like the law, pretty much. We just tend to sit on the sofa, eat loads of Christmas snacks, but then we also do that through the entire month of December. So Molly says, what's your favourite celebration? I actually have a box of celebrations right here. I thought it would add to the Christmas vibe because you know it's not Christmas until you've got a box of celebrations in your gaff. My favourite one, either the Maltesers one or the Snickers one. I love a Snickers. I think Snickers are very, very underrated as a chocolate bar. It's something I feel quite strongly about. The next question is, are there any traditions you'd like to have for your children when you're older? When I'm older, I would really like to be the one to host the Christmas dinner. Don't worry, family, I will learn how to do a proper Christmas dinner. You're not going to be coming to my house and having an M&S meal for one, I can assure you. I will do the best Christmas dinner ever. So I want to have all my family round on Christmas Day. I obviously want my house to be like a Christmas grotto. I just want my kids to have the best Christmas ever. I want them to wake up really early in the morning. Obviously, Santa will have been and had some biscuits and some milk or some beer. year. We'll leave a carrot out for Rudolph and things like that. I just want them to have a really classic childhood Christmas. Next question is, when is the right time to put up your tree/decorations? Personally, I think December 1st is when the Christmas decorations should come out the loft. I mean, I'm all for the people that want to go like November 1st, like you do you, hun. I just think for me, I want to feel right Christmassy from December 1st. I want it to be like a lead up, and then midnight December 1st, I'm like, yes, Christmas mode. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I've been chatting for so long that my Christmas dinner is fully cold now, so I mean, that's enjoyable. And I saved the Yorkshire pudding till last because that's my favourite bit, and now it's cold. Love that. Wow, Christmas has been so good to me this year. The fact that it's literally stone cold, not really floating my boat, to be honest. But that's all right, because what do we have next? Celebrations. Do you know what? I feel sorry for the bounties in celebrations. I like the bounties. I can kind of relate to them, you know. I'm not really anyone's favourite, but I'm always there for everyone. We love a depressing, relatable chocolate. The next question is, have you done your Christmas present shopping yet? Do you know what, Victoria? I started my Christmas shopping really early this year. I was like, I'm gonna smash it out, get it all done in a week. We're now in December and I have so many more things to buy. I just have no idea what to buy, people. I'm so bad. And then I find it really awkward, like if you haven't bought a present for someone and they've bought something for you. Like when you get that dreaded text like, when can I drop your Christmas present round? And you're like, oh my God, let me go and get yours first. I'm such a bad person, but it happens every single year. I just forget. Malteser ones. Becca says, have you ever been away for Christmas? I actually haven't, and I don't think I would want to go away for Christmas. However, the only place that I would kind of like to go for Christmas one year is like if my entire family came with me. If it was like my family, my significant other's family, maybe like when I have children, I'd like to go to like a log cabin in a mountain abroad, somewhere snowy, and spend it with the fire on and not make it about presents. Obviously the kids would have like one present each or whatever, but that's probably the only place I would like to go abroad. I wouldn't want to be in like Florida or anywhere like that for Christmas because that ain't Christmassy to me. And the final question for today, while I pick out my Snickers, this is me pretending that this is going to be my last chocolate. As soon as this camera's turned off, you know half this box is going. But anyway, the last question is, what's the best present you've ever given to someone? I am 100% the type of person that loves giving presents. I get so excited for it. I think the best thing I've ever given is in 2016, was it? But I actually surprised my mum and dad away with a trip to Barcelona for 5 days. But the way I did it when I surprised them is I put 5 different envelopes in the Christmas tree. On Christmas morning, I got up early, I hid them all in the tree, and they were numbered 1 to 5. And then inside they opened up each bit of paper and they said, we are going to, and then I made them wait to open the last one for quite a while. And then inside the last one it said Barcelona, it had all pictures of Barcelona. It was just nice, you know, I was so excited for them to open it. But now I feel like I've set the bar really high and they're just going to be disappointed with any other presents that I get them. So I shot myself in the foot a little bit there. Oh Snickers, why are you so lovely? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, let me know in the comments down below, what is your favourite chocolate from the celebrations box? Do we love a bounty? Do we hate a bounty? Do subscribe to see my future Christmas videos. I have a lot more planned for you and I'm very excited about them. So do stick around, let's have a good Christmas together, huns. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye! I literally want to put my whole face in this tub.